In this video, I am going to show you how to sign in on the DeepSeek AI app. Let's get started. First, open the DeepSeek app on your iPhone or Android device. Make sure you already have it installed from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're on the login screen, choose your sign-in method. You'll see options like Continue with Google, Continue with Apple ID, or log in using your email and password. If you used Google or Apple when creating your account, tap that option and confirm your account in the pop-up. If you're using email, enter your email address exactly as you registered, then type your password. You can tap the eye icon to make sure there are no mistakes, then tap Login. After that, you'll be taken to the main chat screen and you can start using DeepSeek right away. If you can't log in, tap Forgot Password, reset it, and check your spam or junk folder if you don't receive the code. You can also try restarting the app or reinstalling it if needed. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.